In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Nvidia A driver on Mac. So let's get started. Now the truth is that Nvidia A stopped making Mac OS drivers after Mac OS Mojave 10.14, okay? Now this means basically that it is impossible to download an Nvidia A driver on an Apple Silicon. When I say Apple Silicon, I mean M1 chip, M2 chip, and M3 chip. That's just not possible because there are no new drivers coming out for Mac after this particular version. Now let's say you're on an Intel Mac and your Intel Mac is relatively old, which you can easily see by going onto this Apple logo and clicking on about this Mac, and then you're gonna see something like this. Now here you can see your model. So for me, as you can see, it is 15.7.2, but what you need is 10.14 or earlier. Now obviously on the current Mac which I'm on, even I can't download any Nvidia A driver because these laptops come with an Apple driver in them, so they don't allow Nvidia A. Now let's say you are something which is 10.1.4 or something older, then you can download an Nvidia A driver, but it is very limited support. You can only download this driver, which is known as the Cuba driver for Mac download. When you click on that, you can see that this is a link from Nvidia A. You can just go on that and download it from here. But this driver can't even run the modern games, for example Fortnite, Minecraft, and all those top games. It basically can't run it, so it's basically useless to download this driver. So what are the best alternatives? Well, you can use Boot Camp and you can install basically Windows on your Mac, and then you can download Nvidia A drivers on that. That is one option. Then you can also use Linux because Nvidia A is fully supported on Linux. And yeah, those are the two best options. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.